everybody, this is Shaima. Let's start science related to IELTS. Science related to IELTS. We will study again and again and again all the science vocabulary related to IELTS, that you find the vocabulary in reading, listening, speaking, or writing. Let's start with where do living things live? Where do they live? Okay, we started before desert, forest, but we're gonna study more vocab about the places that you can find the living things. Living things live where they can meet their needs. Of course, living things need water, air, food. So where can they find their needs? You will find living things. So we call this what? Environment. A living things environment includes all the living and non-living things in a place. So you will not find only living things. You will find non-living things and living things in the environment. The place around you. The place surround you. The place that is surrounding you, around you. Let's start with a biome. What does it mean, a biome? A biome is a place that has certain kinds of living thing and non-living thing. Certain kinds. The same kinds. Like deserts is a biome. Forest is another biome. Grassland are types of biomes. So, if we want to divide biomes, deserts, biome, forest biome, grassland biome, and more, of course. Okay, what can you find in the desert? Special or certain plants, certain animals. What can you find in forest? Certain plants, certain animals. Grassland, the same. So that's why we called it's a biome. So because each place has certain kinds of animals, plants, and non-living things, of living things and non-living things. That's why we called it a biome. Like a forest, okay, a desert. Different biomes have different kinds of weather also. Some biomes are cold and dry, like the deserts. Some are warm and wet, like the forest. The soil or ground covering might also be different. Also the soil, not the same. It might be hard, soft, moist, or dry. Not the same. Okay. The second lesson. How do plants get what they need? We studied before. What do plants need to live or to grow? Awesome. Water, air, soil. Soil means a place. And the sun. Awesome. Okay. Most plants need the same things to live. They need water, light, the sunlight, of course, food, and carbon dioxide. From where can the plant get carbon dioxide? From the air. I can get oxygen and I can get carbon dioxide. Why do plants need carbon dioxide? To make food. Plants need carbon dioxide and light to make food. Carbon dioxide is found in the air. You can find it in there because I breathe oxygen and push carbon dioxide. They must get all these things in their environment. The plants should find water, light, food, and the carbon dioxide around or in their environment. Environment, the places surrounding you, around the plants. Most of the plants have roots. Can you see the roots? Stems. Can you see the stem? And leaves. Each part of a plant helps it to live. Like roots. What do roots do? Do you remember? Get water and food from the ground. Stems carry food and water through the plant. So here the roots get water and food from the ground. Okay? The stem carry the food and hold the plant up like we studied before. But plus Stems carry food and water through the plant. Give it to leaves and the flowers. Leaves get sunlight and the carbon dioxide to do it, to make food. Other parts like flowers and the seeds, they help a plant make more plants, baby plants, more plants. Awesome. See you. Bye.